Hi my lovely people, welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you are a first time viewer to my channel, please subscribe and watch this video completely till the end guys. In this video, today I'm going to show you about AWS, Azure, Cloud, DevOps, DevSecOps job openings, okay? As well as I have tried to cover the internship also, okay? So if you are the person who is looking for mainly job as well as internships, please watch this video completely guys, okay? Now let's get into the first job opening. Here as you can see, the first company name is $Keka. Okay, the company name is $Keka. They are mainly hiring for the position of Associate DevOps Engineer Intern. This is a role name. Okay, Associate DevOps Engineer Intern, and this is moreover an internship, guys. Okay, this is a full-time opportunity. As you can see, the job location is Bengaluru, and moreover, it is for the completely fresher. They have clearly mentioned it's for the fresher. Okay, if you are a person who is switching your career from IT industry to non-IT to the IT, or if you're switching from other domains to the IT, or if you're just starting your career, please, I'm telling you, please start with the internships, guys. Because if you have done 1 or 2 internships, then there are high chance of getting selected to the job opportunities. I'm telling you. Okay. Now let's consider the duration. The duration is mainly for the 3 months, and the location is near Bayapanhalli, Bengaluru. Okay. And they have clearly mentioned daily you need to work for 8 hours. Okay. The 2 hybrid. This is hybrid mode. There will be, you need to work for the 5 hours, 5 days per week. Okay. And 2 days will be holiday for you. We prefer hiring candidates who are currently residing in Bengaluru. Yesterday, many people messaged me, bro, please try to show some of the job openings from Bangalore also. So that's why I brought the job opening for you guys. Okay. And now let's get into the requirement section. Here the qualification, they have mentioned everything. Let's read this. Currently pursuing a recently completed bachelor or master's degree in the computer science, information technology related field. See, if you have completed your degree, it may be in computer science, or if you have completed your master's degree in information technology, or if you just completed a degree in any field, guys, there is nothing restrictions like that. Okay. Basic understanding of software development and Linux administration system. See, before applying to this internship, what should you have is, you should know about the software development. That is basic. What is software development? How it's going to be working? Where you'll be using in daily life in the IT industry. You should know this. And moreover, you should have the basic about Linux. Linux is very important. Okay. So learn at least basics. Next is familiarity with any scripting languages like Bash, Python, etc. is plus. See, if you know scripting, for the DevOps engineer, scripting is mandatory, guys. If you don't know, please start learning from today itself. I'm telling you, please start learning. It may be Bash, even it's your choice. If you can learn anyone, Bash is very easy. Even the Python is also very easy. It depends upon your, okay, eagerness to learn about the DevOps tools and practices and culture. See, here in these internships, you should be very ready to learn about the DevOps tools and technologies. Okay. If you don't know also, you should be ready. Good problem solving skills and collaborative attitude. This is just common. Basic understanding of source control tools like Git. See, you should know at least what is Git, how Git is going to work, and what are the commands we are going to use in the Git. You should know all this. Okay. Good written or verbal communication skills. This is very common. Okay. Hands-on experience with industry-leading DevOps tools and practices. See, if you have worked on any hands-on projects or some YouTube real-time projects, that is very added advantage for you. Collaboration techniques used in high-performing agile teams. See, if you have used some collaborating techniques in your projects, that will be appreciated. Infrastructure as code principles and practices. If you know, okay, you will be learning this. They have clearly mentioned what you are going to learn in this internship. You will be learning about DevOps tools and technologies, as well as you are going to collaborate with other teams as well as, and you are going to work, and you will be learning about infrastructure as code. Okay. And you will be learning real world troubleshooting and problem solving skills related to the application deployment and operations. This is very important. You are going to learn about real-time application of deployment as well as operations. Okay. How you need to apply for this internships? Just click on this apply for this section. Okay. See, as you can see, this is open now. You just need to click about everything. Okay, you need to mention about everything and you can just apply to this internship. Now let's get to the second one. Okay, here in LinkedIn, there is a page called Aly Solutions. Okay, Aly Solutions, they are, as you can see, they are mainly hiring for the DevOps engineer. They have mentioned the qualification as any degree. Okay, experience is 0 to 2 years of experience. If you are fresher, okay, that is fine. You can apply to this is job. If you are having 6 months of internship experience, 10 months, 1 year of experience, 1.5, 2 years of experience of job experience, apply to this job openings. Not a problem. Okay. Here, how you need to apply is here they have given hr@altisolutions.com. This is the email ID. So you need to share your resume to here. Before sharing, look at this point. Preferences as well as skills. These are very, very mandatory. I'm telling you. Before applying to this job opportunity, look at this and then apply. Here, immediate joiners. You should be ready to join immediately. That is very important. Next is candidates from Kanyakumari. If you are from Kanyakumari or if you are around Kanyakumari or if you are ready to relocate to the Kanyakumari, apply. Otherwise, please don't apply. I'm telling you. Okay. Next is Linux. Linux is very important. If you are a DevOps engineer, you must know Linux. Okay, you should have that skill. Git is very mandatory. Jenkins is mandatory. AWS Cloud is mandatory, and you should be able to communicate. Okay, these four, they have just asked for the just 4 tools that are very common. Okay, if you don't know, learn and apply for the freshers. I'm telling you, if you are an experienced person, you can blindly apply to this job opening. Okay, all the best for this. Okay, now let's get to the third job opening. Here, the third one is there is a one HR. Okay, her name is Ashika Tomar. She is mainly hiring for the candidates of DevOps engineer. Okay, if you are the person who is having 6 months, 10 months, 12 months of experience in DevOps, AWS field, apply to this DevOps engineering opening. Okay, she has clearly mentioned immediate joiners. You should be ready to join immediately, and moreover, the location is Noida. Okay, and the this is mainly work from office position. Okay, remember this, work from office, not remote. Qualification BE, BTech, MCA. You may be from any degree, not a problem. How you need to send your resume is Ashika Tomar at boopopso.com. This is the email ID. So please send your resume to our email ID. Okay. So this was the third job opportunity for you. Now let's get to the fourth one. Okay. There is one person called Sangam Upadhyaya in the LinkedIn. Okay. Please check out his LinkedIn handle. Okay. He is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer and his company name is Infill. And moreover, this is a remote position. Okay. He has clearly mentioned everything in the title itself. The position is DevOps engineer and the company name is Infill and the position is remote opportunity. Okay. What you are going to bring? What should you have? Okay. You will be automate deployment with the CI/CD and scripting. You should be able to deploy CI/CD pipeline. Okay, then scripting is mandatory. Collaborate with DevOps and manage the code. Okay, and skills is you should have AWS experience. That is mainly they have mentioned EC2. Infrastructure is Terraform. Deployment they have mentioned is web deployment. You are going to do web deployment. Remember this. Scripting you should know at least Python or Bash scripting. And DevOps tools you should know Jenkins. Coding you may be anything. Okay. Here they have mentioned about bachelor's in CS and IT, minimum 1 year of experience. If you have at least 1 year, at least 6 months, 10 months, apply internship. If you are just having internship experience in the interview, you can prove your knowledge. Okay, I'm telling you. So please apply. Here they have mentioned full time as 8 hours per day. You are going to work for 8 hours per day and schedule is Monday to Saturday. You are going to work even on the Saturday. Remember this. Okay. How you need to apply is DM your resume to Sangam Upadhyaya. It may be in LinkedIn. You can just send your connection and you can message him. Or here he has given his WhatsApp number. Okay. Please reach out his WhatsApp number. And in that okay. And in here, he has given one more important thing. Dear candidate, after sending your resume, please confirm receipt here. If you are sending your resume in the LinkedIn, he has given, you should confirm your receipt. Okay. He will ensure you don't miss out and guarantee you an interview call. He told he is he is going to make sure that you get the interview call. So please, once after applying, message him regarding this. Okay, get a receipt. Next is here. Okay, here there is one company called V Middle Life Software. Okay, the company name is V Middle Life Software, and they are mainly hiring for the position of AWS DevOps engineer. Okay, as you can see, the position name and the location is Hinjewadi and Pune. Okay, the Hinjewadi, Maharashtra, Pune. Here, let's get into the requirements and section. Job description, they have clearly mentioned what you are going to do. Okay, what you should have. Okay, they are mainly hiring for the position of AWS DevOps engineer. Okay, here, as you can see, required candidate profile 1 to 2 years of experience. If you have just 1 year of experience in AWS or in the DevOps field, you can apply. Experience with added features of AWS. That is, you should have knowledge on the AWS services. Experience with AWS PCI DSS compliance requirements and implementation is a big plus. See, if you know how to work on the services like AWS PCI or DSSS, that is very added advantage for you guys. I'm telling you. Experience in automation tools, Ansible, Salt, Puppet, Chef. If you know any of this, it may be Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Salt, any of this, that is very fine. There is no need to mandate that you should know all the 4 languages. Experience with AWS CI/CD tools like Code Commit, Code Build. This is very it's like AWS CI/CD. Okay, you should know about all these things. Okay, if you don't know, learn this in just 1 day and apply. Okay, here they have given about more. As you can see, they have given also Linux administration. You should know. Okay, in the application management, you should know about how to work on the Tomcat as well as Apache Nginx. Okay, you are going to work on this. Remember this. So how you need to apply is just click on this apply section. See here, the application is open now. Just enter fill your details here. Okay, you need to, if you have previous year of experience, that is 10 months, 1 year of experience, 2 months, 2 years of experience, add this. Okay, then submit your application. Okay, this was the 4th job opportunity for you. Now, if you are a first time viewer to my channel, guys, please, I'm telling you, requesting you, please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe this channel. I'm going to daily post the job opportunity for you guys. Okay, please, I'm requesting to make this as early as possible, 2K. Okay, and if you want all these job opening links, just click on this here. As you can see, Instagram at Vishwa Kakale. No, just click on this. Okay, here you can see my Instagram handle, everything. This is my Instagram handle. You can message me at this Instagram handle. This is Vishwa Karkale. It's my Instagram handle. Okay, you need to message if you want all these job openings. Like you should message me like AWS and DevOps jobs fresher. He has mentioned and have sent him links, right? So I will be sending you all these links completely freely without taking single money. What you need to do is just mention if you're AWS fresher, mention. Otherwise, you can just mention the Azure or anything. Okay. Now let's get to the last one, job opening. Okay, the last job opening is from the company. Okay, just a minute, guys. Give me a second. Yeah. Here, the mainly hiring. This is Aqua company. Okay, AquaSec. The company name is AquaSec. They are mainly hiring for the position of DevSecOps support engineer. They are mainly hiring for the position of DevSecOps support engineer, and the location is Hyderabad. Okay, India. This is a full-time job opportunity. Remember this. Here, what they are expecting from you is at least 1 to 5 years of experience in support role, mainly experience with Docker, Kubernetes, and OpenShift. See, if you are having just 10 months, 1 year of experience, 1 year is very, very, very important. If you're fresher, 1 year is very important, because if you are having at least 1 year of experience, you will be considered as fresher only, guys. I'm telling you, you will be not considered as a experienced candidate. If you are having 1 year, 2 years candidate, in some companies, 2 year candidates are also considered as a fresher. So, if you are having just at least a fresher 1 year candidate, also apply, not a problem. And you should have mainly experience on hands-on experience. This is very important. Docker, Kubernetes, or OpenShift. And fluent English skills is very important. Okay, it's just important, not very important. Ability to reproduce product bug record actions and work with engineers on a resolution. So you should work with time. That is very important. And experience supporting users of SaaS application product. Okay. Software as services. You should be having excellent technical writing skill, experience supporting users of AWS, Azure, GCP, cloud. See, you should have hands-on experience. It may be in any cloud. It may be AWS, Azure, GCP, anything. Experience supporting security products. You should have hands-on experience or real-time project experience on the security products. Experience with system administration in Linux. Linux is very important, mandatory for you. So you should have that hands-on experience. And moreover, they have also asked for the hands-on experience on the networking also. So these are the job openings which I wanted to show you guys today. How you need to apply for this job opening is just as you can see, apply for this position. At the right section you are having, you need to fill all your documents to this, okay? And you just need to send your resume to this company. Okay. So these were the job openings which I wanted to show you guys. If you are looking for any other domain job openings, please mention in the comment section. I'm going to happy to bring you all the job openings. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.